Hey guys, welcome back. Still trying to get to that 100 things mark. Anyway, I'm to 84. I can't show you these because they're part of a trade. And they're not all the same, but trust me, I did make 8 Christmas ornaments. And they're ready to go in the mail. So, that's 69 plus 8 is 77. And I've started my December journal, which I went to the Dollar General, and picked this little sketch pad up, and it was $3.50. So this is some of the Tim Holtz wallpaper, and I just put that on the cover. And then it actually started November the 29th, and I skipped the 1st, so I'm counting this as a day. But this is some of the Tim Holtz Christmas paper I just put on here. This is his tissue paper, and I just put a little bit of notes on each page. My husband bought me a cut and scan for my birthday. I rested most of the day. We just got home yesterday, and making plans for the 15th, which is going to be a huge sale here on my channel with 8 sellers. And then I have these little squares, dictionary things. I just put one on each page, or on some of the pages. And this little guy here, if you can see him, he's one of Nick's favorite cartoons. I cut him out and glued him on here. So that was December the 2nd. So for December the 3rd, I really didn't do much. I started sorting the supplies to donate, give away, and sell. I'm really tired. So this is also Tim Holtz decorations, and these are just some little Christmas stickers that I put on here. And I don't know what is up with this camera. It's driving me crazy. There, that's a little better. Okay, let's try it this way. Then on the 4th, this is Tim Holtz Christmas paper, and I just did some collaging. I have a book of positive sayings, and it says, small opportunities are often the beginning of great enterprises, and please excuse my voice. The guy was here working on our air conditioning unit, blowing it out, and I'm in Florida, so yeah, we still have to have a service during the winter. It's kind of got to me. I'm still destashing supplies. Worked all day. Oh, to destash boxes. This is Tim Holtz Christmas paper. And I got to spend some time with the boys, and we had so much fun. And this is December the 5th, which I didn't finish entering. I think about what happened there. And the speed of the leader determines the rate of the pack. It's another one of the sayings out of the other book. This is part of a DigiKit, and this is some washi tape. I do believe the rest was all from Tim Holtz. This is Tim Holtz paper. I did some collaging with the rest of the book pages. This December the 6th, we started the Defy Bingo, which will be on Kara Hart's channel every first Monday of the month. And it was tons of fun. And I spent the morning with the Cajun Resellers gang. This is Tim Holtz tissue paper down here. So today is the 7th, isn't it? Yes, it is. So I've started this, I'm not finished. I got this Christmas card with an order from a dear friend signed by, I think, her daughter. But I just used it like a flip out and did some collaging with some of the Tim Holtz Christmas ephemera on the inside of it. And then just, you know, kind of like a little mini glue book thing, just collaging. And I'll finish it up today. So that is 77 plus 7. I hit 84, guys. I have hit 84. I'm going to get this done before the end of the year, I think. Maybe. So, if I just counted the December dailies, I should get it done. But I'm kind of having fun with this. I haven't even decorated my house yet, but I'm enjoying decorating the book. So anyway, this is my 100 Things project, and hopefully I'll hit 100 this year. See you soon. Bye-bye.